and welcome to our video on setting up a PrizmDoc sample using Node.JS and React. This will just take a couple minutes and we'll show you the final product at the end of the video. We're going to begin on the Accusoft GitHub page, as you can see on the right. Scroll down here, we'll find the repository that we're looking for. Let's see, it's this first one. And then we'll get this URL, copy it to our clipboard. That will allow us to clone the repo to our local machine. We'll do that right now. And we'll go into the folder itself. And there's going to be a couple changes we need to make to this directory. So I'm going to go ahead and open that in code so we can make the changes that we need. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to run npm install. This is going to put all of the dependencies that we need for our sample into our directory. So while that's running, we're going to open the server folder and locate config.json5. This file configures where our pass server is sitting. Currently, it's configured for a cloud API key. Instead, we're going to be using a local instance of PrizmDoc. So I'm going to comment those out. Change this. To localhost 3000, the default port for pass. And this will be changed to my secret key, which is the default secret key for pass. We'll save that file, then we're good to go. If we go back to our command prompt, we can see that all of the dependencies have been installed, and we're ready to run the application. We use npm start. You can see it is building our React client. And in just a moment, there it is. We have our application running. There we go. We have our document up in PrizmDoc viewer running on a Node server with React frontend. You can see we've put a couple of buttons to just showcase the React functionality in this sample. So you can click on next page to jump forward a page in the viewer, and then the previous page button will bring you back. So that's it for our demonstration today. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for your time.